Hi there, Buffy Stinchfield here. I wanted to answer a question of a really good friend of mine, and she knows a lot about exercise and breathing herself. She asked the question, why do I focus a lot on exhaling with effort with exercise? And it's a great question. But I want you first, before I answer that, to think about a sealed soda can. Because I don't have one, I need you to imagine it. So if I had a sealed soda can, like it's not cracked open, no one's drunk anything out of it, do you feel confident in standing on that soda can? Yes or no? I would say yes. But why? It's not the aluminum. Aluminum is not a very strong metal or material. But if we have it sealed, well, it's really, really strong. And if we poked a hole anywhere in that soda can or cracked open the top at all, I'm not going to stand on it, and you probably aren't either. That is no longer a sealed pressure system. Well, you and I all have what can be a very effective pressure system in our intra-abdominal space. So that would be from our diaphragm to our pelvic floor, just like the bottom of this pelvis and our diaphragm. So if we want to have a strong core and we want things to be good and strong to protect us from everyday movement, well, our diaphragm and our pelvic floor need to act as a team to manage this pressure. So I need you to imagine taking a deep breath in. There's a diaphragm muscle right underneath your lungs. It has to drop down so that you can inflate the lungs above it. Well, if we want to manage the pressure system in the belly, we also have to change up what the bottom of the soda can does as well. So as the diaphragm drops down, the pelvic floor drops down so that the pressure stays the same. If we exhale, the diaphragm is going to be moving up, so does the pelvic floor. We all want things to work really well here. Just realize that when this is not happening well, sometimes people might cough or sneeze and the diaphragm goes up really quickly. If things are not coordinating well enough here with the rest of the core muscles, or they're just not strong enough, this is what's going to happen. Did you see that? The pelvic floor dropped down. We are going to lose that pressure, or that sealed pressure system. And if we lose pressure, there's going to be an often side effect that is also leaking urine. So when we do it's more of a pressure system failure first. So when we are retraining core muscle systems, we really want to encourage the whole core team. So the abdominals, the diaphragm, the pelvic floor, all to work together. So as we exhale, things lift and brace and support us. As we exhale, things relax and lengthen and soften. So if we're really trying to get someone's core muscle system to work for them better, and it's new at it, or it's just trying to get back into the swing of things, we're going to cue them to exhale with the effort to help cue that pelvic floor to engage and lift. I hope that makes sense to you guys, and that's why we always talk about exhale with effort. So I hope you have a good day. Thanks.